everyone. Welcome back to Real American Talk. I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma. We are so glad you are here.
Last episode, we talked about the magic word get, and the response was amazing.
Yes. So today we are tackling get's biggest rival, the verb take.
Take is tricky because in some languages, take and ride and spend are all different words. But in English, we just use take for everything.
Exactly. Today we are going to look at the 4 essential ways to use take. And Jack, I think we need to start with the most confusing one. The difference between take and bring.
Oh, the eternal struggle. Bring it here versus take and it there. Let's clear this up once and for all.
Okay, imagine you are holding a pizza.
I love this example already.
If you are coming to me, you bring the pizza.
Right. Hey, Emma, I'm bringing pizza to your house.
But if you are leaving my house and going somewhere else, you take the pizza.
I'm leaving now. Can I take this leftover pizza with me?
Exactly. Bring is for coming here. Take is for going there. Let's practice with a role play.
Emma, are you ready for the party?
Almost. I need to take this salad to the car.
Don't forget to take your jacket. It's cold outside.
Oh, right. Can you bring me my keys? They are on the table next to you.
Sure. Here they are. By the way, should we take a bottle of wine to the host?
Good idea. Let's take the red one.
See? We used take because we are moving things away from our house to the party.
And you brought the keys to me because I was right there. Simple, right?
Now, meaning number 2. We use take for daily actions. This is where English gets lazy.
Instead of creating a new verb, we just say, take a plus a noun.
For example, we don't say, I showered. We say, I took a shower.
Or, I took a break.
Let's list the most common ones. Emma, you go first.
Take a nap.
Take a nap.
Take a nap.
Take a nap.
Take a walk.
Take a walk.
Take a walk.
Take a walk.
Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Take a look.
Take a look.
Take a look.
Take a look.
Take a seat.
Take a seat.
Take a seat.
Take a seat.
Take a chance.
Take a chance.
Take a chance.
Take a chance.
Wait, Jack. In the UK, we often say, have a shower or have a look.
That's true. In America, we almost always use take. I'm going to take a shower. Let me take a look.
So if you want to sound American, use take. If you want to sound British, have is also okay.
Meaning number 3. This is super important for daily conversation. We use take to talk about time.
The structure is, It takes plus time plus to plus action.
For example, it takes 10 minutes to walk to the station.
This is how we ask how long questions. How long does it take?
Let's do a quick Q&A. Emma, how long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
It takes me about 30 minutes. How long does it take you to edit a video?
Oh, it takes forever. Usually about 5 hours.
What about flying? How long does it take to fly from New York to London?
It takes about 7 hours.
Listeners, try to answer this. How long does it take to get to your work?
Finally, meaning number 4, transportation.
In English, we don't usually say, I rode the bus in a casual context. We say, I took the bus.
Take the train, take the subway, take a taxi, take an Uber.
It implies you are using it to go somewhere. Ride is more about the experience, like ride a horse or ride a roller coaster.
Let's combine meaning 3, time, and meaning 4, transportation, in a dialogue. This is a very common conversation.
Jack, how should we get to the airport tomorrow?
We could take a taxi, but it's expensive.
How much is it?
Like $50, but it only takes 20 minutes.
What if we take the subway?
The subway is cheap, but it takes an hour.
Ugh, that takes too long. Let's just take an Uber.
Deal. I don't want to take a huge suitcase on the subway anyway. Before we finish, let's give them 3 super useful idioms with take.
Number 1, take it easy.
It means relax or goodbye. Hey man, take it easy.
Number 2, take place.
It means to happen. The concert takes place in the park.
Number 3, take advantage of.
It means to use an opportunity well. You should take advantage of the free food.
All right, Jack, are you ready for the final test? I will give you a situation. You give me a take sentence.
Bring it on. Or wait. Take it on. No. Bring it on.
Situation 1. You want to photograph the sunset.
I'm going to take a picture.
Situation 2. You are moving a box from your kitchen to your car.
I am taking the box to the car.
Situation 3. You are entering a bus.
I am taking the bus.
Situation 4. You need to know the duration of the movie.
How long does the movie take? Or how long does it take to watch?
Situation 5. You are stressed and need to relax.
I need to take a break. Or just take it easy.
Perfect score.
Yes, I hope you guys took some notes today.
Haha, good one. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Take care. Bye.